Hola, amores, ¿cómo están? Dime. So tonight we're going to do a little bit of a listening exercise. This time it will be me reading off something to you. And what I want you to do is fill in the blanks to the sentence. So here's how it will work. I will repeat it up to 3 times, and you'll see something on the screen with the sentence and the parts that I want you to write down on a piece of paper what you think you heard. Then I will read it again, but this time you will see the full sentence with the answers put in. Lastly, I want you to put in the comment section one thing that happened to you this morning. And this is about practicing talking about things in the past. The reason for that is because in a lot of conversations, we're talking about something that has already happened. And you're going to find yourself having to explain something that took place quite frequently. Or rather, what I'm saying is, frequently you will be talking about things that happened in the past. So, what better thing to do than to get used to being able to not only be able to listen and hear what's being said to you, but for you to also fluently be able to talk about something that has happened. All right, nos fuimos. Let's do it. Uy, esta mañana no podía creer que salí de casa sin el cargador de mi computadora. Tuve que volver a buscarlo. Uy, esta mañana no podía creer que salí de casa sin el cargador de mi computadora. Tuve que volver a buscarlo. Uy, esta mañana no podía creer que salí de casa sin el cargador de mi computadora. Tuve que volver a buscarlo. Okay, how was that? ¿Cómo fue? What I'm going to do now is put on the screen the answers. So I'm going to read it with the answers. Uy, esta mañana no podía creer que salí de casa sin el cargador de mi computadora. Tuve que volver a buscarlo. Uy, esta mañana no podía creer que salí de casa sin el cargador de mi computadora. Tuve que volver a buscarlo. Okay, amores, and here is your time to shine in the comment section. Give one sentence of something you did this morning. Challenge yourself to talk in that way. Drop it in the comment section and help each other out. If you need to correct something or correct someone else, help each other out. Awesome. Now that you've done it, thanks so much for tuning in. Remember, for me to keep putting videos out, I really need the support. So comment, like, subscribe, share these videos. Also, I have a 2025 Spanish bilingual planner. So if you like planners, you like money because it's a money theme, check it out. The link to it will be in my comment section, not comment section, description box. Check it out. I'll see you next time.